Awaken your power. This is Mindset Mastery.
Imagine this for a moment. You don't even realize it, but every single day, there are small, quiet habits in your life that are slowly stripping away your confidence. Not loudly. Not dramatically. Just quietly. So quietly that one day, you wake up, look in the mirror, and you barely recognize the person staring back. Let's talk about those habits. The ones you don't notice until the damage is already done. Because once you see them, once you understand them, you can undo them. You can take your power back. So let's get into it. Confidence doesn't disappear overnight. It doesn't just vanish. It fades slowly. Piece by piece. Choice by choice. Thought by thought. And that's exactly why this matters. When your confidence weakens, everything else weakens with it. Your energy. Your charisma. Your charm. The way you talk. The way you walk. The way you look at people. Even the opportunities that come your way. This isn't just about feeling confident. This is about how your entire life forms around the way you see yourself. If you want stronger relationships, if you want to be someone people gravitate toward, if you want to respect yourself, you have to understand what's silently draining you. So here we go. Silent habit number 1, apologizing for your existence. You soften your voice. You shrink your presence. You make yourself small on purpose. I'm not talking about bumping into someone and saying, sorry. I'm talking about apologizing for being you. You know the phrases. Sorry, this might sound dumb, but I don't want to bother you, but never mind, forget I said anything. And here's the truth. When you treat yourself like you don't matter, other people believe you. You teach the world how to treat you, by how you treat yourself. Start speaking like your voice belongs in the room. Because it does. Silent habit number 2, waiting for permission to be yourself. This one is sneaky. You want to try something new. Say what you really think. Wear something different. Take up space. But you stop. You look around the room. You watch everyone's reactions first. You wait for approval. Here's the problem. When you constantly seek permission to exist, you lose respect for yourself. Real confidence comes from authenticity, not performance. The moment you stop looking for validation is the moment your actual personality shows up. And that is when you become magnetic. Because the most attractive thing a person can be is unapologetically themselves. Silent habit number 3, comparing yourself to everyone. This one hurts. Because comparison doesn't just make you feel worse, it makes you stop trying. You scroll. And suddenly everyone is more successful. More attractive. More confident. More liked. And you think, what's the point? Why even try? I'll never be like that. But here's what you forget. People share their highlights, not their nightmares. Not their insecurities. Not their breakdowns at 2 a.m. You are comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's movie trailer. Confidence doesn't grow when you look at others. Confidence grows when you look at who you were yesterday and aim to become 1% better. That's where real progress lives. Silent habit number 4, using negative self-talk like it's a joke. This one destroys people quietly. You say things like, I'm such an idiot. I mess everything up. I'm not good at anything. Even if you're just joking, your mind doesn't know that. The words stick. They echo. They become identity. Your self-talk shapes your self-image. Your self-image shapes your behavior. Your behavior shapes your reality. If you want confidence, protect yourself from your own voice. Speak to yourself the way you'd speak to someone you love. Let's bring it all together. The habits that destroy your confidence are not loud. They're subtle. Apologizing just for existing. Waiting for permission to be yourself. Comparing your life to someone else's highlights. Tearing yourself down, even playfully. These don't just change how others see you. They change how you see you. And your entire life rises or falls based on how much you respect yourself. So here's your challenge. Starting today, treat yourself like someone who matters. Because you do. Walk like you belong. Speak like your words carry weight. Stop shrinking to make others comfortable. Stop looking sideways for validation. Stand in who you are. Even if it's messy. Even if you're still growing. Especially if you're still growing. Confidence isn't about perfection. It's about being real, without flinching. If this message hit you, if something in you shifted, don't just move on. Sit with it. Reflect on it. Tell me in the comments. Which habit do you need to break first? Like the video if this helped you. Subscribe if you want to grow. And share this with someone who needs to hear it. I'll see you in the next one. You've got this.